Functions of a promoter. Promoter or promoters of a company have various responsibilities for starting a company. The following are their functions. Identification of business opportunity. The first function of a promoter is identifying business opportunity related to a service or a product that is investment potential. Then the opportunity is analyzed for its economic feasibility. Feasibility studies. To check whether the business opportunity can be profitable, promoters conduct various feasibility studies by experts. They are A. Technical feasibility. It checks whether the idea is technically feasible or not. It looks for technology or raw material availability. Financial feasibility. This enables the promoters to know the exact fund requirement for their project, based on which they decide to move further with their business idea. Economic feasibility. Though technically and financially viable, at times the idea may not result in profits. This study identifies that a path for promoters. The result of these studies must be positive for the promoters to begin their business. Name approval. A name is to be given to the company. 3 names have to be given to Registrar of Companies of the state where the company will be located. The name will be approved only if any other company is not using it. Fixing up signatories to Memorandum of Association. Promoters need to decide who will sign the Memorandum of Association. Those who sign will become the directors and take up shares in the company. Appointment of professionals. For submission of details of the promoters to the Registrar of Companies, professionals like auditors, mercantiles, bankers are appointed. Preparation of necessary documents. The final function of the promoters is to prepare necessary legally mandated documents. These are to be submitted to the Registrar of Companies to register the company.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.